My name is Miss Grace. I'm an instructor here at Orange Easel. We're a children's art studio in downtown Liberty, Missouri. And today I'm going to teach you how to paint an elephant. This elephant. And I also wanted to show you the fish because they're really cool now. Aren't they cool? You can't see it very well. I'm amazed. Let's get to work. And we're in the office. Did you just change your shirt? No? Let's work on our elephants. So usually when we do these little leveling up videos, I kind of think about a smaller project and I figure out how to scale it up and make it a little bit more extra. This time I started out a little bit too extra and I needed to wrangle it in. So this is what I started with, which is a lovely elephant, but it's real tight to get done in an hour and a half. It can be done. I did this one in that time, but it's not cool to like try and teach your students at the same speed that you're working. So this is actually the one I did during class, which is very similar as far as the way I was executing it. It's just I brought it down a little bit as far as how crazy I was getting with all of the colors. And then luckily for me, Miss Sarah's class also happened to paint an elephant. So I'm able to show you what it looks like with a younger class. The main difference is they actually take the time to draw out all of those elephant shapes before they color them in. Let's take a look. That class is so cute. Now I need to teach you how to take that elephant to the next level. So let's say you painted that whole elephant. They drew out the shapes and they did them as solid colors. If you are going to make one like this, you would put all those solid colors down and then start layering multiple colors on top. Now, their painting looked like it was done with watercolors, so this definitely wouldn't work as a watercolor painting. But with acrylics, you can layer, layer, layer. The trick is to kind of be cognizant of how long it takes things to dry. Because if you start layering on something that's already wet, it's going to smear the paint. So you do one layer and then you move to another spot, and then you do that layer and then you move to another spot, and kind of keep them in a rotation in order to keep all of those layers from mushing up. And I didn't want to leave this guy out entirely, so what I did for the time lapse is I put this one side by side so that you could see the way I approach this one versus the way I approached the one that I did during class. All right, friends, thank you for watching. I hope you figured out a lot of cool ways to address an elephant, be it through shapes or through colors and layers. I'm just glad that you were able to take something from this, and as always, I wanted to leave you with some of the artwork from my students. Bye, friends. Comment, like, subscribe, all of those things.